Sometimes you need an extra pair of hands to hold a garbage bag open when you're throwing trash in it, leaves, what have you, and there's just nobody else around or nobody wants to stand there and hold it for you. So you can build one of these little plastic things to hold the bag open. There's a couple different styles you can make out of this. In our case, we're using it to throw our recycled plastic bottles and whatever in the bag, and this just helps the bag to stand upright and not tip over and dump everything out of it. Okay, well, let's go see how we did it. This is the holder without the bag, and as you can see, just a couple pieces of pipe down here, piece of pipe here, a couple risers up this way, piece across the back, a couple arms sticking out. The 90-degree joints I had to buy because I didn't have any around. These are some special joints I found at a place that makes clothing racks, drying racks for clothes and whatever. If you can't find those, let me show you some substitute parts, but let's do a close-up and look at this carefully, and we'll show you how to put it together. Let's do a walk around of the parts. Here we have a 90-degree. Back here we have this three-way that I told you if you can't find, we'll show you how to make a substitute for it. Another three-way, 90-degree. And we follow this leg down. We have this another three-way, just a leg pipe. Another leg pipe, another three-way, and that's it. And then go back up again. So, and here's where we started. So nothing to it. None of this is glued, by the way. This is all just stuck together with friction. And let me show you one quick thing here before I forget. Let's say that you want a square mouth. You can just turn these things sideways, put a bar across here, and then you'll have a square mouth of whatever shape and size you need to hold your bag open, and you can clip it open that way. Okay, so let me show you how you can substitute this three-way with regular components if you can't find these. So this will get you your same square corner that you need. So this is a three-way, a T, and a 90-degree, and that's it. So that's your substitute for this. Yeah, it takes one extra part, but again, you know, these aren't very expensive. So, well, and that's it for our leaf bag, trash bag, recycle bag holder. Hope you found it useful and interesting in your home DIY projects.